Hello and welcome everyone to our group presentation for our assignment of Misleading Housing Project Sales Brochure. As you can see in front of us, these are the group members of our group that are presenting today. So, a brief explanation for all of you. A property brochure is a marketing document designed to provide potential buyers with detailed information about a property for sale. It typically includes descriptions, photographs, floor plans, location details, and price information. The primary function of a property brochure is to attract interest and inform prospective buyers, aiding them in making an informed decision. If a brochure is misleading, it can lead to legal consequences for the seller, a loss of trust from potential buyers, and financial losses for both parties due to potential litigation and the need to rectify misrepresented details.
For the project background, cooperative philosophy for scientists is management like a water, and scientists have five other elements. Belief. Our output is as vital and valuable as water. Contribute to the betterment of society. Nature and science. Respect for the laws of the nature of science. Seek solution and tackle different challenges. Energy. Following water gather momentum, harness the energy to break barriers to leap forward and surge ahead. Modesty. Remain humble like a drop of water in the ocean, the beat and aim high like a mighty wave. Flexibility. Adapt a fluid and adapted stage in the responding to challenge. Company background. Public listing. Listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia Security Berhad since 1919. Core business, leading manufacturer in the flexible plastic packaging. Prominent developer of affordable home in Malaysia. History and growth. Established in 1968. Achieved continuous growth to become one of the world's top manufacturer of the straight film. Property division focus on addressing the growth need for the affordable housing. Land blend exceeding 2,275 acres in the 7 states across peninsular Malaysia. Complete over 13,000 affordable homes to date. The architect is AP Architect Pembangunan. The contractor is KC Contractor Sendirian Berhad. The material surveyor is Soho Timex, and civil structure and engineering is McCallum CNS Consultancy. Progress until now. Type A, Phase BJ1A. 192 units complete with CCC. Phase BJ1B, 162 units complete with CCC. Phase BJ7 is expected completion December 2025. Type B. Phase BJ2B, 232 units complete with CCC. Phase BJ2B expected completion September 2025. RMM, Phase BJ3A expected completion January 2026. Phase BJ3B expected completion April 2025. Phase BJ3C expected completion January 2025.
Okay, now we go to the types of housing that the developer made, which is there is 3. The first one is Acacia. The area is 18 by 65 feet, and the property size is 1,659 square feet, and they have 4 bedroom plus 3 bathroom. And the second one is Dahlia. The area is 18 by 65 feet, and the property size is 1,334 square feet, and they have 4 bedroom plus 3 bathroom. And the last one is Costa. The area is 16 feet by 60 feet, and the property size is 1,153 square feet, and you will have 3 bedroom plus 2 bathroom. So the second slide is about the facilities that they have on that community, on the area. The first one is recreational park or a playground. Second is surau. The third one is jogging or cycling track. And they also have a customer service center and also community hall, which anybody in the community can use it. And the third slide is about the site location, which is this area is near to expressway, groceries or supermarket, banking area, the public services like KWSP, and we also the area also near to institutional center, which is SMK Bemban. And for other location, Melimau 8 km, Bandar Melaka 20 km, and Ayer Keroh 17 km, and Muar is around 30 km.
These are our case study brochures. I will go over the contents of these three brochures, Hostatu, Acacia, and Alia, one by one. The project name, logo, property details, property view, and floor layout are all found on page 1 of Hostatu brochure. In the brochure, the project name and logo appear first, followed by property details, property view, and floor plan. Page 2 includes the site's location, accessibility legends, eligibility requirements, developer details, and project details. The location plan is at the front of the followed by an accessibility legend, eligibility requirements, developer information, and project details. Next, Acacia brochure. The first page includes the project name, logo, property view, and property details. On page 1, the project logo appears at the top, followed by the project name, project details, and property view. Page 2 displays the floor plan and features. Page 3 displays the residential layout plan and features. The final page of the Acacia brochure displays the accessibility legend, site location, developer information, and project details. The accessibility legend appears at the top of the Acacia brochure, followed by the site location, developer data, and project details. Dahlia is the final brochure. The first page of this brochure features developer information and project name and a property view. Page 2 displays benefits and features which includes low cost, permanent ownership in ample concept design and advantageous location. The property specification and floor plan are displayed on the third page, followed by accessibility legend, site location, developer details, and project details on the last page.
Mistake, contra, or adherence in the brochure. Every housing developer needs to advertise the house they have built to get customers to buy the house. To produce the ad, they need to comply with the terms of the draft ad set by the Ministry of Housing and Local Government (KPKT) to obtain a license to advertise their ads. The brochure that has been advertised complies with all the conditions set by the KPKT to obtain a house advertisement permit. But there is a problem in the brochure. Some information stated in the brochure is too small to be seen if not well researched. As for example, the first graphic showed the information of the developer of the project. This info showed very clear information of the developer company, but in the second graphic, the other information provided in the brochure are too small to see that may lead to confusion to the people. But overall, the brochure has been giving the full information that has been set by the KPKT to obtain the house advertisement permit.
Lastly, construction and disposal in development projects. Construction involves site preparation, permits, building plans, safety, and quality control. Disposal covers handling construction waste following environmental regulation and recycling. Key considerations include safety standards, environmental impact, and waste management. Benefits are new infrastructure and reduced environmental footprint, while challenges include managing risk and sustainable disposal. In summary, these phases are crucial for successful development. Thank you for your attention. Next is the planning and design approval in development projects. This ensures compliance with regulation and community standards. It involves the site analysis, feasibility studies, preliminary design, stakeholder consultation, and detailed plans. Key considerations are zoning laws, environmental impact, and community feedback. Benefits are project viability and compliance. Challenge are regulatory hurdles and objection. In summary, planning and design approval is essential for success. Lastly, the construction and disposal in development projects. Construction involves site preparation, permits, building plans, safety, and quality control. Disposal covers handling construction waste, following environmental regulation, and recycling. Key considerations include safety standards, environmental impact, and waste management. Benefits are new infrastructure and reduced environmental footprint, while challenges include managing risk and sustainable disposal. In summary, these phases are crucial for successful development. Thank you for your attention.
Issue at Syntax Bandar Jasins. For land acquisitions, there is no issue such as a dispute between developer and the landowner, since it was involved a state area that owned and cultivated by some Dabi, which is one owner. But during the land purchase process, the landowner asked to hand over the land after the tree was mentioned. Otherwise, buyer have to pay the price of the land and also the profit for the remaining maturity periods of the palm trees on that lands. For planning and design approval, the process to get a permissions in build a water tower is very complicated, because the authority have to check the impact and water quality and pressure on the surrounding area, because there are two large development projects in that area. Local authority also asked to change one of the house design submitted by the developer, since there was issue with the design that have been used for another project in another area, causing three types of houses to be built in the first phase. Another issue is that this house arise when complicated process. The developer need to be in constant contact with KPKT. The house to be built also needs to follow the requirement and quality standard provided by the government agency. Issues that occur on sites during constructions are common, which is a labor shortage, since the project involves a large quantity of housing to be constructed in short times. Indirectly, the difficulty in controlling the quality of work also may become an issue for the developer. Therefore, the developer had to use a faster construction method, which is a precast concrete panel for these constructions. For disposal phases, competitions may happen with other large housing project, which is Botany Parkland, about 5 km from these township projects. It also more close to the industrial area. As a measure to deal with this issue, the developer has promoted 210 unit houses with the initiative or subsidies from the government, with a lucky draw for buyers.